Hi guys, Phil here from Farmer Phil's Toy Barn, and I'm going to do an unboxing and a short review of the New Holland L225 skid steer loader. See, here it is. Very nice. This is from 2011, so you can probably get this one in stores, I'm sure. So let's get to it. Overall, I do like skid steer models. I have a lot of them. So, this should be easy to unbox. Overall, I like skid steers. There'll be more reviews of skid steers coming up soon. I have a couple new models. So I hope you like skid steers, because there'll be more coming up. And I have a few skid steers open already that I will review. I don't remember the models, but they are a John Deere, and a few Bobcats. I will be reviewing them shortly, so be ready. And okay, I got the twisty ties off. Hardest part of the whole unboxing. I will be doing a more in-depth review of this model, but I'm just going to unbox it and do a short little review for right now. So one more twisty tie. Does not want to come. There it goes. So overall, looks like a very nice model. I like it. Looks good. Little rubber band around the door to keep it shut so it doesn't swing open when they ship it. There it's going. Nice touch on this model is the opening door, if I can get it. Should open. There it is. Opening door, very nice. That wasn't good. Lifted it too high. You want to put some super glue on the ends of these to keep them from doing this. But that's no problem, they just slip right back in. Very nice still. Got your detailed interior. Let's see if I can get it in the light. Your joysticks and your roll bar flips down. Very nice. Your lights on the cab are very nice. Door snaps shut so it doesn't fly open. Overall, good weight. Nice paint. Here's a view of the rear. New Holland symbol in the middle of the black grille in the back. Got your tail lights and your marker lights. Your exhaust right here. Right here's the exhaust. Right here. Very nice. Is a New Holland L225. Super Boom written on the back here. Super Boom. New Holland on the back too. And you got some thick tires. Thick skid steer tires. Roll good. Yeah, rolls really good. So, very nice model. I recommend it. This is one of the nicer skid steers. Very nice paint job. But my only issue with it is the cylinders. They do slip out of place, but for that being the only issue, that's no big deal. It's a very nice model. Bucket is good sized. Does dump. Very nice for play there. These cylinders don't come out, so that's good. Your step right here to get in. So I recommend this model. This has been a short little review. I'm going to do a more in-depth view of this skid steer and a few more at the same time. So I recommend this to anyone. And this is Phil from Farmer Phil's Toy Barn, signing off.